Well, today we're doing an unboxing and also an installation of the ikamand for the Classic series, specifically the Classic 2. I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how to install this based on the instructions, and also show you what's in the box, give you my initial impressions of the ikamand and also compared to other accessories I have used in the past. And then I look forward to start using this more often and do a latter review showing you after so many uses how it's going. But I'm excited to do the unboxing and installation, so let's get into the details. What's in the box? Well, it comes with a nice zipper. You unzip it, you open it up. It's got two parts to it. It's really nice. On this side, it's got the user manual, the one part of the outside insert of your bottom vent. It's got two different probes, one for your meat, one for the ambient heat of the dome. Then you have the second part of the vent that you're going to be using. You've got the power cable here, and then the ikamand itself. It's got a little flap here. See if I can show that. Opens up when the fan's on, and then you've got a nice fan to help you with low and slow, hot and fast. So that's what is in the components here of this box. We are going to take everything out, and now I'm going to bring you in and show you how we're going to set up and install the ikamand. Now let's install the ikamand and also get ready to do that. First, we're going to remove the two firebox pieces, just like this. I've removed that. This is also an opportunity to do a deep clean of your fire ring and your firebox, and however you do that. I like to use a shop vac and also just sweep things around and get all the charcoal out. And you're going to remove those two fireboxes. I'm going to show you a little video as I'm talking here. There's two screws like this that are on the inside, and you can use your screwdriver and a wrench to loosen them on the front side, and then use that wrench on the inside to loosen it, or use your fingers if you're able to. So all that to say, you undo that, it loosens your original right here. You slide that out, your vent hood cover, and that's the original. You remove that, and then what we're going to do is it comes with a new one, and then this is a vent cover that just snaps in place whenever you're not in use and you don't want anything to come inside. So show you what that looks like. Really easy. Goes in just like that, and then it comes out just like that. So now that we've got the screws out, we're going to go ahead and place this in here, and then we're going to slide it in just like that. I'm going to go ahead and install the original back. Some people like to do this, some don't. This is whenever you want to go manual mode and you're used to your settings like you typically would. You can still open the vent either way at different positions. So I'm going to leave that in as well, just because I know that depending on the style of cook, hot and fast or low and slow, I might want to use that and go manual mode versus the ikamand. So we're going to do that. Then all you got to do is plug in your ikamand, and you're going to insert it just like this, and it should just snap in to place like that. And I push the button, and that's going to give air automatically. You push it again, and it turns off. So that is how you install it. Now we are going to finish the second part of the installation and put these screws back in place, and then we'll talk about setting up the ikamand to your Wi-Fi to make sure you're fired up, ready to go. Well, now it's time to set up the ikamand with your Wi-Fi and your cell phone. No matter which device you have, you just need to go to the App Store, download ikamand. Once it's downloaded, you are going to connect your Wi-Fi name and password into the app to make sure it's syncing. A few other tips is to make sure you're at 2.5 gigahertz. Otherwise, this will not connect. So that's also something to consider to make it a little easier to get these two things connected. Once you get your Wi-Fi connected and you've downloaded the app and you've typed in the information in the app, then you're going to sync it. And the way you sync it is by pushing the button on the left side of the iKamand for, I don't know, 2 to 8 seconds, and it should begin to flash. And then that is to indicate it's beginning to sync with your app. And what you're waiting for is about 2 minutes or so. And again, if it's not connecting, just ensure that you got 2.5 gigahertz. Make sure you're typed in the exact name of the password correctly and you've connected to the right one. And for some reason it's not working, maybe create a guest account. Sometimes that also helps override it as another tip to make sure you're getting these connected. Now, once you got the flashing light synced up to your app and you can watch all this on the app, you're waiting for your iKamand to stop flashing, turning that solid blue color. You know that means they're completely synced. And then it will also show that it's green in the app as well as another sign that you're ready to fire it up. So all you got to do now that you load charcoal in, you maybe have a fire starter, however you start your fire, get it started, close the lid, and then open up your app. And a couple ways to do this fast fire is by simply just pushing the button once on the iKamand. That is to initiate the fan and automatically just getting up the fire going with the iKamand, or you can click the ready to cook button or whatever it's called in the app to just fire it up. And based on the temperature, it'll tell you how long it will take, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, depending on what you're trying to cook. It also has a low and slow mode on the app. So you could do 225, 250 or whatnot, and then it will give you a time frame how long it's going to take for you to get to that temperature. And then you can see on this app, it's got pre-settings for all of your food. If it's brisket, if it's pork butt, if it's chicken, if it's steak, whatever it is, fish, it's already got a setting for you and makes life a lot easier. So I can't wait to start diving in and using this. And so I'll do a few other videos on doing my first cook with it and firing this up. But it's that simple to fire it up really quickly. And you just push that button, the fan is on, and we are ready to go. And then you push it down one time and you're ready to go. So friends, that is all. If you enjoyed this video, let YouTube know by liking this video, commenting, sharing it, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you liked this. If I added value and you're really considering getting an iKamand, that's how easy it is to set it up. And a few other things to consider too is, like, I have a grill gun that can light up my charcoal super fast, under a minute, to get my charcoal up. So I was really hesitant to get the iKamand, but I was fortunate that Kamado Joe sent to me as one of their Fire Squad members to be able to help just educate the KJ community on different products and just kind of showcase it. So I want to give an honest review, but also want to show you how to use it and have fun with it. So I typically use the sous vide gun from the grill gun company to get this going, and again, I can get it started in less than a minute. And so I was hesitant to get the iKamand, and because I can get my grill up to as low or as hot as I want pretty quickly nowadays without it. But where I see the great advantages as I start using this is for more the low and slow, where you want to cook pork butt or brisket for a long period of time and you're able to monitor your cook. And again, it comes with probes to tell you the ambient heat, but also the internal temperature of your meat. So you're on your way and you want to keep a track, you're in your house, you can open up the app to see what the temperature is. Or if you want to go like 225 to 250 in the beginning of your cook, and then you want to crank it up towards the end to 300 to 325 or whatever it might be, you're able to control the dynamics all from your cell phone to kick this fan in full gear to ensure that it's fueling the flames to its capacity. So again, those are some advantages I see it for the low and slow. For the hot and fast, I still think it works. Or if I was running out of propane for my grill gun or something like that, or something wasn't working with my other barbecue accessories, man, just fire it up with a little cube and let the iKamand do all the work. So those are just some first impressions and thoughts on how I'm going to start using this. And again, I can't wait. Again, if you like the video, like, subscribe, turn on notification buttons. And from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.